In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Leadpages with GetResponse. This powerful combination can help you capture leads and manage your email marketing seamlessly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into the process. First, make sure you have accounts set up for both Leadpages and GetResponse. If you haven't done this yet, you'll need to visit their respective websites, sign up for an account, and follow the setup instructions there. Having both accounts ready is crucial because we'll be connecting them shortly. Once you have your account set up and you're logged into Leadpages, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the page or lead generation form you wish to integrate with GetResponse. Leadpages provides an efficient way to create high-converting landing pages, and by integrating it with GetResponse, you'll enhance your lead management capabilities. Now look for the Integrations option. You can usually find this in the left-hand menu under the account settings or within the specific page you're working on. Once you click on Integrations, you should see a variety of options to connect different services. Go ahead and click on the button that says Add New Integration. A new window will pop up, allowing you to choose from several services. Since we're focusing on GetResponse, find it from the list and select it. After clicking on GetResponse, the next step is to authorize your account. This part might feel a bit technical, but don't worry. Just grab your GetResponse API key, which is needed to establish the connection between the two platforms. To obtain your API key, head over to your GetResponse account. On the dashboard, look for Integrations and API in the Settings section. Click on that, and you'll see your API key listed there. If you haven't generated one yet, you might find a button to create a new key. Once you've got that, copy it. Now, return to Leadpages. In the integration window, you'll be prompted to paste your API key into the designated field. After you've pasted the key, hit the button to connect or authorize the integration. If all went well, you should see a confirmation that your integration with GetResponse is successful. Great! Now that we have connected the two systems, it's time to set up your forms and decide how leads will be handled. If you're still within Leadpages, navigate back to your landing page or form. Within the form settings, look for the option that says Actions. This is where you can designate what happens after someone submits their information. You will want to select, Add to List, or a similar option based on your needs. After selecting this option, a drop-down will appear with your GetResponse lists. Choose the list you'd like your new leads to be added to. This ensures that all leads captured through your Leadpages page go directly into your chosen GetResponse list, streamlining your follow-up process. After you are done selecting your list, don't forget to save your changes inside Leadpages. It's just that simple. You now have an integrated system where your leads captured on your landing page are sent straight to GetResponse, allowing you to automate your email marketing efforts. To wrap up, remember that this integration is a game changer for online marketers. You can now focus on driving traffic to your Leadpages landing pages, while GetResponse takes care of the follow-up with your leads. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving us a thumbs up. This way, you won't miss any future tips and tricks on digital marketing. Thanks for